If you want to download Strava on the Google Pixel Watch free, first of all, you will have to open All Apps screen and you have to go for the Google Play Store. Now click on the search and click on the keyboard or voice input Strava. Now click on the search, and as you can see, here it is. So now all we have to do is just to install this application on our watch, but also on our phone. So we have to go into the Google Play Store, go to the search, input Strava phrase, and as you can see, it's actually automatically download this. So now we just have to wait until the download will be finished, and we can continue on our phone. So click to open. Now you can actually join for free or log in with your current account. So in my case, I'm gonna select this option. I'm gonna log in with my current account. You can right now select Google account from your phone or add another one. Also, we can continue with the Facebook or with the Strava account. As you can see right now, I'm connected. I just log in into my account on the Strava application. So right now, I will have to go into my watch, check if this installation is finished. Yes, it is. So we can open it, accept permissions, and as you can see, right now it is finished. Right now we can start with workouts. So let's pick the walk, accept this permission, accept another one, just basically everything that is popping on your screen. Click accept, and now it's actually getting the GPS, and we can try to start workout. And now as you can see, everything is fine. That's actually how you can get this, Strava on your watch. And now we can try to open it on the phone, and let's see if we actually synchronize this data. Let's go for activities. No, it's not here, so maybe we have to just wait for this data synchronizing, I believe. Let's check for some settings. And yeah, as you can see, that's how you can install Strava on the Google Pixel Watch free. Thanks for watching.